Hola, mais dia de luta. Vamos chegar a ganhar. Ok? Já eu tenho o número 14 e 15. Okay, outside Portugal, how to win in this ticket? It's a matching numbers. And if we uncover the symbol lightning bolt, we win the prize shown. Double the prize shown. And if we uncover the symbol star, we win all prizes. Okay, the odds of winning are 1 in 3.30. Okay. So we're looking for these 5 numbers. 26, 53, 54, 36, 67. 19, 60, 47, 13, 39, 59, 57, 61, 41, 65, 24, 21. That's my camera, guys. Okay, 21, nada. 45, 53. Ay, I found a match, guys. Nice. I found a match, 53. 40, 66, 33, 43, 42. Camera is dark, guys. 63, 68, 16, 51, 51, nada, 62. On 53, one match. Let's hope it's a good win. Okay. Of course. Of course. Okay, so money back in this ticket, guys. 10 euro. Okay, let's hope we can get back to back. Okay, we're looking for 16, 62, 18, 40, 28. 68, 48, 36, 29, 38, 11, 12, 19, nada, 22, 23, 54, 43, 56, nada, 33, 53, 14. I want to find this lightning bolt. Never found it, guys. I have never found that symbol. 31, 44, 15, 45, 69, 34, nada, 63 y 52, nada. Okay, so I only found money back, guys. No, 10 euro. Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay, so I got only 10 euro out of 20. I got a win, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos.